Hi, I'm Sarah Zierfoss, also known as Dean Z, and I'm the Dean of Admissions at the University of Michigan Law School. I'm speaking to you today from my basement with my COVID hair because I'm starting on a new project. I want to give the best admissions advice I can come up with to you for free. I want to take my 2 decades of experience at the head of admissions at Michigan and transform them into answering any question I can think of or that you can bring to me about how to make your application to law school as effective as possible. I had 2 inspirations for this project. First, most obviously, COVID-19. Usually during the summer and fall, I and my team, we travel all around the country meeting with people in big groups or individually, talking to them about Michigan, but also talking to them about how they can, really make their applications sing. I'm not going to be doing that for a while. So if the mountain won't come to Muhammad, that's me, has to go to the mountain. We'll be talking about that reference actually in a future episode too. The other inspiration was 2 emails I got this year, totally independent, several months apart, both of which were complaining about the role of law school admissions consulting in the application process. They say it's a scourge on the application process, resetting standards, making it out of reach for anyone without a lot of personal wealth. Both writers criticized me, by implication, Michigan, for not doing more to push back against the trend. Now, I didn't buy every aspect of their critique, and frankly, we'll probably talk about that at some point in the future too. But it really spoke to me nonetheless. Michigan is a public law school, and I'm a public school kind of gal. I think high quality public education at every level is the thing we need in our country. And I think it's beyond question that the people who have the most resources have more access to lots of private advice and guidance, and that gets them better outcomes than they would otherwise have. Now, I can't form a personal relationship with you, which is, some people would say, at the heart of good coaching. But I have 2 other advantages that I think might make up for it. First of all, anyone who's ever spoken to me will tell you I'm very frank. I do not think there should be any secrets in this business. And second, I have a lot of experience. I'm hoping that these 2 factors combined will make up for the relative lack of personal touch. Here's how this is going to go. We plan to share 1 episode a week. And every episode will contain a discussion of some element of your law school application. Sometimes I'll come up with a topic just based on whatever's in my pretty little head, and sometimes I'm hoping it'll come from comments that you will leave for me. Sometimes I'll do that by bringing in other guests to help me, but probably not for the foreseeable future, because right now sharing a microphone with someone is a profile and courage that I'm not ready to take on. I'll end every episode with some tip or possibly a more lengthy meditation on some element of grammar or word usage, because if there's one thing that every good lawyer has, it's an instinct for the truly minuscule and inconsequential detail. So, in the words of one of my good friends on the faculty here at Michigan Law School when he proposed to his wife, are we going to do this? Let's do this.